Welcome back to Broadcast Performance, and in today's episode we're going to get rid of those yellow original stock lights, and we're going to throw in these eBay LED lights. So yeah, follow along. I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood, take the grill out. If you want to see how to take the grill and stuff out, watch the grill episode. Yeah, so here we go. Okay guys, these are extremely easy to put in. Once you get the grill off, what you do is there's 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this trim piece pops off and this falls right out. And you put the other one in, and then they're mounted. So I got that one in, I'm gonna do that one. Guys, I got these bad mamma jammas installed now. Can't really show you the wiring because this is not a stock truck. But anyway, you hook up a ground, you hook up a power, and you get some light. They have different functions. Let me show you one now. Yeah, you can make the outer ring white or amber. And then also there's lights in the center that come on. That would be the low beam. Thanks guys for watching this episode where we install these eBay headlights. It turned out to be really simple. I like jobs like that. If you guys liked it, like the video. If you like BMWs or drift trucks and all this stuff, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and peace out.